Hey besties, welcome back to Bella's World. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you're a new viewer, I hope you stick around and subscribe. So as you can see from the title of this video, today we are getting ready for our first international trip. I'm finally gonna use this bad boy. Finally gonna get my passport stamped. I'm super excited. Yeah, as I said earlier, it's my first international trip. I'm going on a solo trip. My solo trip to Durban was me kind of like prepping, getting ready for this trip that I've been planning since the beginning of the year. I'm super excited. So today is the 15th of September. I'm in Cape Town. Tomorrow afternoon, I'm flying to Joburg. And then on Tuesday morning, I'm flying to my international destination. So stick around until the end of the video to find out where I'm going. But now we are going to be prepping for the trip. I hope you enjoy the video. See you later.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. let's take this show on the road. Same shit, different day, I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go, get away, hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone on do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool, I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up, let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's fucking go Miami, let's fucking go Chicago, let's fucking go Beaded, let's fucking go Houston, let's fucking go Atlanta, let's fucking go Tokyo, let's fucking go Brazil, let's fucking go London, let's fucking go South Africa, let's fucking go Korea, let's fucking go New York, let's fucking go Toronto, let's fucking go Paris, let's fucking go Nigeria, let's fucking go DC, let's fucking go LA, let's fucking go trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, two-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good.
Hey besties, as you can see, I've arrived in Joburg. So I booked a little place in Kempton Park so I can just rest and sleep and then wake up early in the morning and head to the airport at like 6. Check in for a international flight. Check-in opens 3 hours. 3 hours before flight departure. So because this is my first international trip, I'm anxious about everything. So I want to be there early and check in and do all the admin and then go relax at the lounge, go relax at the airport lounge and have like a really big breakfast and then fly to an island. Okay, so that's my hint. That's my hint for where I'm going. I'm going to an island, but I'll let you guys know at the end of the video where exactly I'm going. But I'm going to an island where South Africans only need a passport to enter, so no visa, which is perfect. Yeah, I'm super excited. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to order some food, rest, and go to bed early. Also going to pray for safe travels, do some journaling, and yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow before my flight.
Let's fuck it up. Let's fuck it up. Let's fuck it up. Let's fuck it up. Let's fuck it up.
As promised, I'm letting you guys know where I'm going. So I'm going to Zanzibar. I just checked in my luggage. I'm gonna buy a couple of things and then I will see you guys in Zanzibar.
Let's fuck it up. 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 Take this show on the road.